Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got a nice watch face to check out by MD. Now we haven't had MD in the building in quite some time. We got to start checking out his watch faces and his lineup. Now, this one is free for the taking as of right now. I don't know if this was a weekend special. So right after this video, go download ASAP. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's have a look at this one. Now, this one is called MD151. Very nice. A nice digital watch face, definitely for the work week and for a dress down weekend. Now, in the AOD mode, you are pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But the functionality of this watch, it offers you everything you can want and need out of a watch face. You're going to be able to keep up with your step info. You're going to also get your heart rate information at the top. You come down, you're going to get a big, bold digital time and the day of the week and your date down at the bottom. And also you're going to get your step info and miles walked or ran. So everything you need is going to be right up front. You're going to get a moon phase also right next to your digital time. So it's a nice looking watch face for everyday dress down wear. And it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can go into my step status info at the top. It will give me an opportunity to check my calories burn, steps, floors climbed, things of that nature, sleep. Also, if I tap on the heart rate, I can get my heart rate information as well. But the highlight of the watch face is being able to customize the color theme of the watch face so far as the digital time is concerned. So if I double tap on the time, I can dim it down or I can change it to another color as well. Same thing with the minutes. And it's nice, so you can mix and match if you want to. That would be totally up to you. But I thought this was definitely a good look for a watch face. I mean, not bad. What do you think? All right, you all, go ahead, download this ASAP because I do not know how long this one is going to be free. All right, you all, continue to enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy family and friends. Happy Easter. Eat well. But most of all, get ready for the Monday grind. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.